All right, guys, so we just got to Harrodsburg, Kentucky. Got my man JT with me. We're doing a class at Campbellsville University Barber program. I don't know what they call it. We're about to go in here and find out. We're gonna do a little class and then we're gonna judge a barber battle. So I'm gonna cut JT's hair. He's the lucky model today. I've cut his hair plenty of times, so I'm gonna get in here out of the rain. So we're gonna go do a haircut demonstration for about an hour, and then we're gonna get to this barber battle. I don't really know what it's gonna be like if there's multiple categories, but we brought some prizes, and I'm gonna judge the barber battle. So let's get in here and check this place out. All right, y'all, we're all set up. Campbellsville U Barber Battle. Got the GMB. Y'all see the trophies and the prizes. Y'all see that Rebel prize? So I might have to compete in the freestyle battle and win that Rebel prize. Got the QR up on the screen. Nice little conference room. What's happening?
What up?
We're getting ready. Everybody's starting to show up, so we're gonna hopefully fill these rows up and get to it. Guys, they got a dope setup here, way better than my barber college I went to. This is kind of a, I don't know, conference room for everybody to have kind of a bigger seminar. There's the cosmetology school at the end of that hallway, and that's where the battle's gonna be, and then the barber college is actually across the street. So I don't think we're gonna check that out today. The battle will be in that room. So let me do this demo real quick on JT, and then we'll get to the barber battle.
I'll let Sean talk a little bit about himself, but you all please help me welcome Sean Rosty.
You guys hear me? Yeah. Good. I couldn't get this mic situated very good. So. All right, guys. So like you said, my name is Sean Ralston. I'm from Owensboro, all the way on the west side of Kentucky. Excited to be here. I encourage you guys to go ahead and scoot in closer if you want to. I want you guys to get as much value out of this as you can. So ask questions. I think you'll get a ticket if you ask a question that'll go towards the door prizes. So you have a better chance to win if you guys ask questions. I will jump right in. I'm gonna get my guy JT up here. He's one of my barbers in my shop. He was actually a client of mine. He's helping me vlog, so we're doing a little vlog for YouTube. Y'all say what's up?
What up?
Yeah. All right, we're gonna set this back here. Somebody give me the next strip. I'm gonna break the rules in front of everybody. He doesn't drastically need a haircut, we just cut it, so I really wanna focus on kind of my main objective in teaching you guys. How many of you guys, let's say we talk about that sidebar haircut. So say that haircut walks in, how many of you guys comfortable with that? Next haircut comes in, you're like, it's totally something different. You're like, I don't even know where to start. Right? Anybody deal with that? You're comfortable with one thing, something else comes in, and it's like you're starting from scratch. I want to show you guys my system that I use. Basically, any of you walk up here right now on a haircut, I know how I can tackle it, because I'm going to break it down into 3 things. So we're going to have our style point. So every hairstyle is going to be different. On him, it's going to be a crop. You got to come over. Pompadour, it's going to be one thing. You got waves, it's going to be one way. Curls, it's going to be one way. But we're going to tackle the length area in one type of way, right? Even if, say, we got curls and it's a mohawk, that's still our length area. JT used to have kind of like mine, got some length in the back. So this is still our length area, right? So we know, depending on what it is, that's how we're going to cut it. So with JT, we're going to use scissors, we're going to create some texture. If I'm doing curls, I might freehand it. If they're shorter, I might pick them out, use a guard, whatever it is. If it's a comb over, it might be connected on one side, disconnected on the other, but that's my length area. Then I know I'm going to the transition to the sides. Not necessarily always the sides. If it's my haircut, it's only the sides and not the back. But where is that going to fit? Where's that going to sit? So on JT, we got a crop. Here's our transition area, right in the parietal ridge. Not always going to fit there, but that's where it is on this haircut. If it's a mohawk, obviously we're going to go down and around, right? That's our transition area. And then I got my clipper area. So the way I do my clipper work, I can always fade from the 0 to the 2, no matter where it's at. If it's a taper, if it's a burst fade, if it's a mohawk, if it's a drop fade, 0 to a 2 the same, no matter what haircut I'm doing. Then the other 2 things are what changes, right? So the clip works going wherever I want to put it, then we have the transition to the length, and then I'm going to tackle the length however I need to. If you guys can break a haircut down into that system, you can make it super easy. All right, guys, there's the finished cut. I didn't do under the beard, we were running out of time, so JT's all neck beard, but you see we got him together. Little texture crop. Everybody loved the class. Oh, about fell off the stage. They really wanted to see enhancements, so JT don't really like, I don't know. We've never really enhanced your beard, but you guys can see it turned out. We just trimmed the top. little high taper with enhancements. Now we're gonna get some food and get to the battle. About 15 years younger. Through it. Not touching that beard, are you? Where you at now? All day? All day. All of them? All of them. I like it. With the spin. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. This could be good or it could be bad. My man Jack. Wearing it out over here.
Airplane.
If you all will turn the chairs around and push them back up to the station, have for about 15 minutes, okay? At 3:30. Our next category is the classic cut and style from Somerset Knights, Clayton. The next is the bald fade, and I just want to say you guys did such a great job, and we're so proud of all of your work. Let's see, from Somerset Day, our winner is David Miller. David is winning the Rebel set, and our next winner is Dynamic Designs from Harrodsburg, Kristen Mattingly.
All right, y'all, that is it for the battle. Super cool experience. JT got him a freshie, got the judge with me. We had somebody upset they didn't win. He punched JT's hand when he dapped him up. But part of it, guys, you can't win them all. You win some, you lose some, whatever you want to say. But we're heading back to Kentucky. We're in Kentucky. We're heading back to home, to Owensboro. JT's got a taco spot that's one of his favorites. They just opened up on the way. So we're going to stop and get some tacos and head home. So that was it for the vlog. If you guys liked it, you know what to do. Smash that thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed. I got some more unboxings coming soon. I got some crazy stuff coming. So appreciate you guys watching, and I will catch you next time.